Here's everything you need to know about the 2025 Mercedes G580 in just 5 minutes. In this brick of an SUV, I'm pretty impressed to have a 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds, but the top speed is a little weak at 112 miles an hour. But who's gonna go that fast in this brick oven? We got a G-turn feature in this SUV that all you gotta do is literally press a few buttons and tap that paddle shifter to go left or right to spin this entire SUV around. It's made for off-roading, but let's be real, a lot of people gonna use that thing on the street just to flex for their friends. Now, under the hood, this is an electric SUV, so ain't nothing under this thing but a piece of plastic, but you do got an electric motor for each individual rim of this SUV with a total horsepower range of 579 horsepower, 859 pound-feet of torque, giving you a total electric range of about 250, 270 miles total. Now, not only do you got a side step ladder that's big enough for me to sit on, but you also got keyless entry for both the front and back door handles, and inside the door handle, you got a little G for the G-Wagon. You even got your spare tire attached to the tailgate, giving it that infamous G-Wagon look. And it looks good whether the cover is on the tire or off the tire. We got these 20-inch rims on all four corners wrapped up in 275/50s. As you can tell from that tire, these love that Barrett's Automotive Magic Tire Machine, just like you. Click that link below in the description and get yours right now by yours truly. Now, my abnormal height of 6'10", I got abundant headroom, but my leg room, I'm not gonna lie, my knees are not scraping the steering wheel, but I definitely cannot get no leg extension up in this joint. Now, not only do these seats look good when you put that Barrett's Automotive Pristine leather condition on there, but you also can control these seats through your infotainment screen with like your kinetic seats, lumbar controls, active side bolstering, along with dynamic multi-contour seats. And get this, these seats are also massaging seats with 8 different types of massages. We got 2 cup holders behind a retractable door that are both heated and cooled. You also have a wireless phone charger along with 2 USB-C chargers and a 12-volt charger as well. Now in the center console, you got your wireless mouse pad to control your infotainment screen, or you can just touch the infotainment screen if you want as well. But you also got your volume controls, 360-degree of camera angles, and your drive modes anytime you want to change your drive modes from individual, sport, comfort, trail, and rock. You have a dual leather wrapped armrest that is beyond comfortable on that elbow meat, and it can be both open and closed individually or collectively. And inside there, you got an abundant amount of space, a vertical phone mount, and a USB-C charger. You got 4 old shit handles in this thing in case the driver ever wanted to get a little extracurricular going off-roading, because this SUV can definitely do that. But you got a specially designed old shit handle for just the front seat passenger alone to make the back seat passengers jealous. Now, not only does that digital gauge cluster look damn good with a high resolution and modern design, but it also can be reconfigured anytime you want to go from understated, sport, classic, navigation, assistance, off-road, and service. Now, not only does this infotainment screen look just as good as that digital gauge cluster, but it also offers things like Apple CarPlay, Amazon Music, Spotify, Tidal, games like Sudoku, that's crazy, climate controls, along with Mercedes EQ that showcases your charging, range, and consumption details. And you even have an info page that displays your energy flow, vehicle information in real time, just like in the off-road feature that shows your suspension, tire pressure, tire temperature, and even your pitch and roll. What more do you need, man? Now, my height of 6'10", in the back seat, I got the same struggle that I got in the front seat. My headroom is abundant, but my leg room, I ain't gonna lie to you, sardine in a tin can. I ain't got no leg room back here. Now, if you can stomach to sit back in the back seat for a little bit, no pun intended, you do got a few things to make it a little nice back here, like these legendary climate vents that are nice in design. You got 2 in the middle along with 2 on the side, and you even got your own climate controlled temperature gauges to control your fan, and you got 2 USB-C chargers along with a 12-volt charger and 2 kangaroo pouches for storage behind the front seats. And you got your very own leather wrapped armrest with 2 cup holders, and all 3 headrests are adjustable to go up or down up in here. Now, if you want to get in the trunk, all you gotta do is grab the handle and push the button like Shorty said on Rush Hour. Now, as you can see in the trunk, you got an abundant amount of space. Even my tall frame can fit in here vertically. And width-wise, you got more than enough space as well. But you also got a retractable cargo divider, 2 LED lights, charging cables, 6 tie-down straps, a fishnet for storage, and a Mercedes first aid kit unless you want to get real bougie. Now, when it comes to everyday drivability, this joint is beyond comfortable, and of course, it's a prestigious G-Wagon, so you got that prestigious look, just like that pristine leather conditioner can make sure you protect your leather investment, get that below by clicking that link. But this joint looks good, it drives good, and it feels good. Now, that's everything I think you need to know about the 2025 Mercedes G580 G-Wagon, baby, in just 5 minutes.